Most Defender owners will never push their vehicle anywhere close to its limits. But Land Rover built this SUV for places like these. When I got invited to the JLR Off-Road Experience, I had one question. Is the Defender really as capable as everyone claims? We will test its capabilities across different terrains. But will it stand up to them? Let's find out.
Perfect. Go, 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 go.
Good morning, friends. So me and Rohit here. First time I am heading for the off-roading session at Lonavala Aamby Valley by Land Rover itself. तो हम पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं इस बार, हमने अरेंज नहीं किया है. So me and Rohit, say hi.
Hi.
So we are going for this event at Aamby Valley. पाटील साहेबांचं स्वागत. लोणावळ्याला पोहोचलेलो आहोत आणि मस्त ट्रॅफिक आहे.
अशा पद्धतीने आमची ट्रेन समोरून गेलेली आहे.
जेवढं लवकर क्लिअर होईल तेवढं आम्ही लवकर पोहोचू. पहला मेरा मानसून ड्राइव है एंड आई एम हियर एट एम्बी वैली. अमेजिंग वेदर. इतने दिनों के बाद वापस मानसून वाला फील आ रहा है. एंड यस, दिस इज़ 130. सो वी आर हियर एट एम्बी वैली. सो यू कैन सी हियर सो मेनी different models of the Defenders. Yeah, so this is Octa, that is also the Octa, the 110. So much excited. So this is a black belt and Rohit got the white belt. So I am going to drive. So this is a special black belt for the drivers and this is for co-drivers. ऐसा है. It was finally time to do what we had come here for.
Off-road height.
Yeah, this one.
Right now it says off-road height select. Yeah. Let go of the accelerator and brake. Leave the brakes also.
The first obstacle looked simple, just a series of climbs and descents. But it wasn't about difficulty, it was about understanding how the Defender distributes power, controls traction, and keeps all four wheels working together.
Keep moving. We are going to do a tip over.
Okay.
Just to show how well the car adjusts the angles and keeps you stable even at very weird angles. Alright?
Okay.
So I want you to stay left,
Left.
straighten up, right.
This was the obstacle I was looking forward to the most. Driving with the vehicle leaning this much goes against every instinct you have. It feels like it's about to tip over.
But from inside the cabin, the Defender remains surprisingly composed. This wasn't about speed, quite the opposite. Every input had to be smooth, every wheel placement mattered. And just like that, every obstacle we'd been working towards was behind us. What looked impossible only a few minutes earlier suddenly felt effortless. Not because the obstacle became easier, but because we had started trusting the vehicle. And then we reached the final challenge.
And now we just use rock mode on this. You can see the water on the rocks, the amazing terrain response by the vehicle. And this vehicle is trying to go up, but it's very difficult. It's very slippery. And देखते हैं अभी क्या होता है. They are trying very hard.
Standing at the bottom, the climb looked far steeper than it did on camera, with deep muddy ruts and barely any room for error. This wasn't just about power anymore. It was about picking the right line, trusting the Defender, and following the instructor's guidance.
One last attempt. If you're not doing this, we'll abort it. It's all fine. Yeah, but one last attempt.
Now, this is your line. Got it?
Yeah.
This wheel will be in the air, but it will somehow get traction. Okay?
Okay.
Give constant throttle. Let's go.
Go.
Ready to go left? Perfect. Go, 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 go.
We lined up, took a deep breath, and went for it. Then, with one final push, the Defender crested the hill. The cheers inside and outside the car said it all. It wasn't just the thrill of completing the obstacle, it was the confidence we'd built throughout the experience.
Hello, I'm Karan Raj Mehta from Pune. We just came here in the morning in Aamby Valley for the off-roading session by Defender, and the experience overall is too good. Amazing place, amazing food, everything was planned perfectly. I want to tell you about the vehicle. It was amazing vehicle. So everything explained before our off-roading session, the technology and what are the techniques we are going to see while doing this off-road terrain. It was perfectly explained. We almost used all the off-road the modes like the grass and snow, then mud ruts, then the rock crawl also. Actually, the vehicle response is perfect, and what I am expecting from the vehicle is just beyond. So Defender never surrender.
Okay, thank you, sir.